Hello my friends, it's Nina and we are going to LA. I got a haircut yesterday. The rest of it is up in a claw clip, but I will insert some pictures. I got my haircut, just wanted a fresh start for summer. But anyway, I'm going to LA. The primary reason is because I'm going to Anime Expo for the first time ever. Otherwise, this is mostly a family trip. This will be a road trip with my family for 5 hours. I am in Northern California. LA is 5 hours away by car. I have done a lot of road trips when I was younger. I feel like it's not as common for me to do now that I'm older, but it's also nice when I get to do stuff with my family, so let's get packing. Literally all day today though, I have been doing a bunch of emails. I have actually spent the entire day writing emails and I'm about to throw my laptop because I don't know why it takes me forever to write emails. Do you like my outfit? I'm gonna finish up and then we're going to pack. So much time has passed. It is 8:30 p.m. I am trying to finish packing before at least 3 a.m. For now, I'm going to plan out what I'm going to bring. I also have no idea what I'm going to wear. I am not built for summer. I don't have a summer wardrobe, so I actually don't really know what I'm going to wear, planning on my Notion. I usually like to make a table of everything that I'm bringing. I will plan out my outfits and then divide it by top, bottom, outerwear, accessories, shoes, blah, blah, blah. So I'm just going to organize this and then we'll get packing. Black faded wide leg jeans, some kind of tank top do I have? Do I need these jeans? Low-rise faded jeans for sure. I can wear this a bunch of times. Outerwear. What kind of outerwear do I need? I can't think of any summer pieces that I have. What do people wear in summer? Do I need to pull up Pinterest? Oh. Okay, I think I know what to bring. I'm only bringing a few pairs of shoes, literally 2. Maybe 1 more for my cosplay. Ooh, speaking of which, I'm gonna try to do cosplay at Anime Expo this year. My first time ever doing cosplay, but I'll show you that as well. I got 4 outfits based on recommendations from you guys of what character I should cosplay. I got a lot of common characters, so I'm kind of honored that I remind you of some of your favorite characters. So I need to make room for cosplay. You know what, honestly, I can't think of any summer clothes unless I see it, so I might have to just do this spontaneously. I did my best. Let's head over and pack my suitcase. Next up, we are going to finally pack. I got some new matching suitcases. One is a large, one is a Carryon, and they are a beauty. I've always wanted my luggage to match, so the day has finally come. I've actually seen these suitcases because of social media. I know some friends who have these suitcases and I wanted it for myself as well. These suitcases are from Monos, who is also the kind sponsor of this video. Also perfectly in time because I have always wanted to travel in style with a matching set, so thank you, Monos. Monos offers a variety of products from everyday bags to travel luggage. I myself have their best-selling Carryon and Check-in Large, both in midnight black. Their flagship product focuses on improving the fundamental features that make up a quality suitcase with no unnecessary gimmicks, creating accessible and efficient products that stand the test of time in both design and quality. The luggage cases are made from a lightweight aerospace-grade polycarbonate material that is nearly impossible to break, and their telescopic handle that is made from a high-grade aluminum also features a release button on the underside to make it more ergonomic. The interior has a built-in compression pad and is draped in 350 denier polyester fabric that is durable, waterproof, and antibacterial, and luxuriously soft to the touch. They also use Hinamoto Lisoft Silent Run wheels, which are the best of its class and unrivaled in quietness, performance, and durability. Monos is committed to building a legacy brand that values conscious consumption and global citizenship. They are climate neutral certified and use an efficient nesting system to shop multiple goods, reducing the amount of packaging needed and carbon emissions generated. They source the highest quality vegan alternatives to animal-derived materials. They also choose packaging and materials that are kinder to the planet, such as rPET made from recycled plastic bottles, for the interior lining of their Metro bags. Monos also donates 1% of their annual revenue to verified nonprofit organizations that are dedicated to preserving and restoring the natural world. So if you would like to check out Monos for yourself, you can use the link in my description below and my code to get a discount on your next Monos product. And thank you to Monos for sponsoring this video. I'm gonna get started and pack the big suitcase, getting right into the clothes. Let's go! Hey. Where do I begin? This is what happens when I don't plan. I don't even know where to start. LA gets cold at night. That's all I know. So I'm gonna pack a few pieces of outerwear and then I can start backwards, or I can work backwards. I want to bring 1 leather jacket. Or I might have to bring 2. I have 2 candidates and it's these 2 jackets here. One is a sort of mock leather jacket. It's very long, oversized, and then this one's a little more cropped and fitted, but this is also one of my favorite leather jackets ever. They have different vibes, you guys, okay? They're 2 different sizes. I'm going to make a pile on my bed, and then we can fold everything into my luggage. I'm bringing this bag. I like this bag. Alright, got 2 jackets. And then when I'm in my Airbnb, I might want some kind of cozy, soft sweatshirt. I'll bring one for lounging around because I know I'm gonna have some days where I just stay inside, knowing me, even though I'm traveling. This is my favorite. Oh, this looks like that personal color test. I still can't tell if I'm warm or cool toned. I'm just gonna believe that I'm neutral because I have a lot of black and white clothes. If someone tells me that I don't look good with black or white, I don't know what to tell you. I like it. I'm gonna continue wearing it even if it's not so flattering. But I'm gonna believe that it's flattering. This is also flattering. What the heck? I'll just believe I'm neutral. But I love this sweatshirt. This is actually one of my favorite shirts right now. I can wear this under anything, but I'm not sure if I need a long sleeve in the first place. So that's out. So I do want to bring some workout pieces. This is from Set Active. It is this cropped jacket. And then I'll also bring this one. Wow, I have a lot of outerwear now. That's not good. I don't think I'll need a blazer. Definitely bringing this top. This is one of my favorite tops. It's very flattering on me and I think it's perfect for the weather. And I can pair this with any bottoms. It has a cute pink logo here. I got this in Korea. I forgot about this shirt. Oh, this would look cute. It's this tank top. It's really cute. Definitely can layer this with anything. I'll also pack this top, also one of my favorites. It has this opening here. Very solid top. This is a very light jacket that I feel like I can throw on during the day. So I'm gonna bring this as well. Pairs well with anything. I could wear this day or night. Definitely bringing this. I think that will be it for now. I'm gonna look at some shirts and pants. By the way, have you seen my closet lately? If you remember, I used to open my closet from this door. Now I open it on this side. Makes more sense with the mirror here. And look at all these clothes. So pretty. And then we've got some drawers here as well. I put my shirts here. Got some blankets here or sheets. One pair of pants. I don't really have an organized method yet, but got a bunch of stuff here. I'm gonna bring 10 pairs of underwear, 10 pairs of socks, 10 pairs of... Well, that's it. There is a laundry machine there, so worst case scenario, I can wash everything there. This will be for socks. I should do my underwear first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. That should be good. I'll pack 2 more just in case. Why not? I also have boxer briefs. These are comfy too. For safe measures, I'll just put another seamless one in. You can never have too much underwear. I don't know where any of my socks are actually. Got 1 pair. This is actually 2 different colors. Dang it. Where are all my socks? That's all the socks I can find for now. I don't know where they are. I'm sure more will come up soon. This is the current pile of clothes that we've got. The Mono suitcase comes with this lock. This TSA approved the lock. Very nice. Gonna open this baby up. It comes with some bags. It comes with a tag. I've never had a luggage tag before. I always have to write it when I'm at the airport. And it comes with this nice cover so you can see it if you want to, or you can hide it. It comes with 2 bags and a 3rd bigger bag. This is bigger. Oh, plenty of room. The other side, then we have these deep pockets. Another side comes with this little pouch here. Let's get packing. I'm so excited. Here are all of my basic clothes that I need to look through again. These are my favorite pair of jeans right now. They're so comfy. The quality is really great. It has a faded wash. Very pretty. These are kind of low-rise, mid-rise. I'm going to avoid pants that I will not really wear so often. If it's like a one outfit kind of thing, I'm gonna avoid it. I'm going for my more versatile pieces. I found my favorite pair of track pants. This is what I always wear to travel. It also makes for great outfits as well. Perfect pair of versatile pants. I'm going to bring 1 white t-shirt. Very comfortable. I also need a spaghetti strap bra. My other bras have a wider strap, so. And then I have this wide leg pair of pants. It also has a faded wash. They're super wide legged. Goes well with tank tops and the clothes that I'm bringing here. So I want to bring a skirt. I do. This is actually a really comfy skirt. It also has shorts on the bottom. I think that's all I need for additional clothes. So I like to roll up my clothes so it takes up less space. Another pair of jeans. Pencil skirt. This is a denim pencil skirt. I love it. Breezy, comfortable. Goes with any outfit. I can make multiple outfits with this and also enjoy the summer weather. This cargo skirt. This also will make for plenty of outfits. And it's also very lightweight and small. So it's a nice camisole. You can wear it by itself. I can wear that white t-shirt under. See, just like that. Isn't that cute? This I can wear on its own. It's very thin. Goes with any of these pants. Fold it into thirds and roll it up. This is a versatile shirt. Comfortable. Got a nice detail on it. It's also very lightweight. White t-shirt that I can wear often. Same shirt in black. I like to buy multiple colors of the same thing. And then this tank top. And then another piece that I can layer. It's just a more formal style. And I've got two workout pants. It's a good tip to have a pair of pajamas in an easy to open bag, just in case I'm too lazy to crack this open. I have so much space left. Shifting. Narrowing down the jackets. Definitely need this jacket. That jacket turned into this tiny roll. Nice. And I can just tuck that in. Outerwear will go on the other side. Two jackets, so tiny. Comfy lounge sweater here, and I still have plenty of space. This is kind of weird. Why do I have so much space? I do need a lot of space for my cosplay though, so let's pack that. Next up, I am finally packing the cosplay. Oh man, this is actually a lot. I don't know if I'm going to be able to bring everything. I'll make it fit. So first up, in the spirit of Demon Slayer Season 3 recently ending, I did decide on a Demon Slayer cosplay. I originally thought of doing Nezuko because a lot of people recommended that, but after some consideration, I thought that I would fit another character better. This character wasn't really in Season 3 except for maybe a flashback or two, but there was another Demon Slayer character that people recommended, and I think if I hold this up, people will know. I decided on Shinobu! I feel like I fit Shinobu pretty well. At least my hair. Right now I have actual bangs, but if I kind of just like part it to the side. I don't have purple hair, but I think I come pretty close. I can already see the vision. And so I decided on Shinobu for one of the days. It comes with the hoodie. It is so pretty, and the quality is really nice actually. I got it from a specific website. This was from Mick Costumes. And we've got the socks. Also pretty, comes with bows. Oh, it's so cute. And then we've got the pants. Has a nice fit at the bottom. These fit me well actually. And it also has a belt. Next one is actually a last minute made one. I'll see if you can guess first. I decided at the last minute to do Kobeni from Chainsaw Man. I originally thought to do Makima because a lot of people recommended Makima. I got the wig, but I kind of want to commit to it better in the future. I want to get maybe the contact lenses or do something with the wig. Kobeni, literally all I have to do is just tuck my hair, put on those two red hair clips, barrettes, and I'm good. This shirt is a bodysuit. It fits better since it's a bodysuit, so that's pretty nice. By the way, I got all of my costumes in large and they fit pretty much perfectly. And then it also came with pants. Third costume was actually also highly requested, probably higher than the other ones, if not one of the most requested for me. And I think this character makes sense, but I'll let you guess the next costume as well. I'm doing Komi from Komi Can't Communicate. Komi Can't Communicate is one of my top favorite anime of all time, or series. I also do have the manga as well, but I am so excited about this one. I've never worn a school uniform before. I went to public school, so we didn't need a uniform. I already tried it out and I love it. It's comfortable. I feel like this will definitely be easy to wear at the convention. I might wear it for maybe the second day, maybe the first day. We'll see! But I'm so excited. And of all the anime characters, I feel like I relate to Komi the best because she does have social anxiety. I dealt with social anxiety for a majority of my life, and we also happen to be around the same height. She's about 5'7", I'm 5'7 3/4. I feel like I'll enjoy this one. I also got cat ears just to make it more Komi-like. Comes with that tie, comes with a matching skirt, and then it comes with the blazer that I will refold. It actually fits very nicely, and then it comes with this white colored shirt that also fits very well. These are just very nicely made outfits. And then it comes with stockings, of course. Now the final one was actually very highly requested, and I'm pretty sure you can guess with just this item. This is Yor from Spy Family. This was also very highly requested. I could not pass on this because so many people requested Yor. I'm very honored that people think I could pull off Yor, so thank you for that. But this is very ambitious. I don't know if I'll go to the convention with this just because it's not the most comfortable outfit. The outfit slays, but It might be good for pictures at home, for a photo shoot or something, but I don't know if I could walk for hours in this cosplay. But I will do it. I will do it. I'll bring it just in case because I do have room for it, but I don't think I'm going to actually wear it to the convention. I'll definitely take pictures of it one day. Yor is actually about my age, so that's nice. You don't really get a lot of anime characters that are in their mid-20s. So I'm gonna pack this as well. It came with these stockings. I also think I would sweat in these. Don't want to do that. Very cool though. Comes with gloves. These are pretty cool. And then here is the dress. It is actually so heavy. Good material. A nicely made dress. I definitely can't pass on this. Isn't it so cool? Oh my god. Here's the dress. And it has this outer robe style cape. There's a word for it. I just forgot. Train? Look at the material. So fancy. Here is all 4 cosplay outfits. Still have a lot of room for other things. Nice. Now it's time to pack my carry-on. Starting to get everything together. Update. My cat ears came in. These are perfect for my Komi cosplay. In this little flat compartment, I'm going to put this hairband just because it's fragile. Here is my travel jewelry case. It even has Yor's earrings. A few studs there. Just like that. Hairpiece. Go inside. I have all these extra bags. Barrettes. I need 2 red ones for Kobeni's cosplay, and these are perfect. I'm gonna pack my hair dryer in one of the bags they provided. Here is my hair dryer. Pack it into the bag. I love these bags. I also put all of my cosplay accessories into this bag right under, just like that. I also have my hair straightener in here. Hairbrush. This is my Anime Expo badge. Got it for 4 days. This is just a random lanyard. It's really cute. Oh, my hair's a mess. Exciting! Ready for Anime Expo. Time to pack my toiletries. What a mess. Also gotta pack my laptop, iPad, tablet stand. Here is my handy dandy giant pencil case. This is where I put most of my electronics. Makeup, I'm gonna be choosy. Clio cushion. Romance Dry Rose palette. My favorite mascara of all time. The Clio Kill Lash Super Proof Mascara Long Curling. This is the Unleashia Tap Me Palette Duo in Pita Pat. Lip tint. It's the Fig Romance Juicy Lasting Tint. Glitter stick, gel eyeliner, pencil, and liquid eyeliner. I think that's all I need. Oh, there's my tweezers. I keep tweezers in here. Compact. This is the Jo Malone Nectarine Blossom and Honey. I feel like this is good for summer. This is one of my favorite scents from Marc Jacobs. It's the perfect intense one, but this is good for autumn/winter. Also recently I got new glasses from Gentle Monster. This case is gorgeous. So these are my old sunglasses. I just put them in here, but recently I got new sunglasses and I think they fit the vibes for this summer. These are the sunglasses. Got these details on the side. Perfect. I'm going to bring this in this case. Another recent purchase I made. Treating myself. This is a card holder. I'm gonna switch out the contents. My mom was kind enough to let me borrow hers. This is my mom's, and I finally have my own card holder. All filled up. Yay. Going into my bag. Refilling the hand sanitizer. Perfect. Hand cream from Nonfiction Gentle Night into the emergency pouch. Eclipse mints. These are peach mints. Yummy. Tissues. I'm gonna put random accessories in here. Curlers, I think I only need these. These Ling Tea packs. I have a whole box. Anime Expo badge officially in my bag. Emergency pouch. Perfect. I have been packing my toiletries here. I wrapped my face cleanser here. Got a bunch of sunscreen, a rolling sunscreen, a mini ginseng essence water, moisturizer. I also have acne patches, floss, a new toothpaste, shampoo, eye makeup remover, and micellar water makeup remover, Tide to Go pen, and then my little hairband just to cushion everything. Perfect. Hopefully that's everything I need. If not, I'll buy it at Target. Packing my batteries. Another battery. I think I'm going to stop filming because I actually need to pack my camera stuff, but let's put everything inside. Good morning. This is the outfit. A very light cropped jacket, comfy shirt, my favorite pants, a little pouch, a Mang travel pillow, and then everything is nicely packed. Thank you, Monos.